Hello everyone, Katie here with the Michigan DNR Outdoor Adventure Center with this segment of Nature in Our Neighborhood. So today we're going to be talking about turtles and the species we have specifically here in Michigan. So turtles will actually be coming out of hibernation right around this time, early April, and some actually waiting until May in northern regions. So turtles actually belong to the reptile family, and they are cold-blooded and can't produce their own body heat and can often be seen basking in the sun. So turtles have a shell for protection, and that shell is made up of two parts: the upper part called the carapace and the lower part called the plastron. So both the carapace and the plastron are made up of scutes, and those scutes are made up of keratin, and turtles are actually able to shed those scutes to make way for larger scutes as the turtle grows. So let's go ahead and take a look at some examples of the carapace and plastron and learn about some of the species we have here in Michigan. Here are examples of a painted turtle, red-eared slider, and an eastern box turtle carapace. Here we have two snapping turtle carapace. Here you can see the plastron for the painted turtle, red-eared slider, and the eastern box turtle. Turtles do not have teeth, but instead have a beak for eating their food. Here you can see an example of a snapping turtle beak. On this model, you can see the turtle's spine and ribs are directly connected to the underpart of the shell. Let's learn a little more about the species we have in Michigan. Michigan has 10 species of turtles. These turtles can be found in a variety of habitats such as woodlands, grasslands, lakes, rivers, wetlands, and cities. First off, we have the Blandings turtle. It's smooth, dome-shaped, and yellow speckled carapace is easily identified. The head and upper neck are black, and the throat and lower neck are bright yellow. Mainly aquatic, with occasional travel on land. This species is threatened by road mortality and wetland destruction. It is protected by Michigan law as a species of special concern. The common map turtle, identified by map-like markings on a green, olive, or brown low-keeled carapace. Narrow yellow stripes on the head and limbs, along with a yellow spot behind the eye. Often seen basking on logs. Prefers aquatic habitats, and females can crush mollusks with their strong jaws. The common musk turtle. The carapace is narrow and high-arched, black or brown color, and often algae covered. The snout is usually pointed with two yellow stripes on the side of its head, and its tail is short. Often seen foraging along the bottom in shallow waters. Don't handle this one. A musk-like odor is given off by the glands along the lower edge of the shell. Michigan state reptile, the painted turtle. Easily identified by its low, smooth, black, olive carapace with red markings along or under the margins. Yellow stripes on the head, the neck, and limbs are either yellow or red striped. It's a basking turtle found within shallow, weedy waters. The red-eared slider has a greenish or brown carapace with yellow and black bands or stripes. Red or orange band behind each eye. It is found in still water habitats with abundant vegetation and basking sites. Feeds on aquatic plants and animals. The spiny soft-shelled turtle. It is one of the largest freshwater turtle species in North America. Its carapace is different than other turtle species as it is flat, soft, and rubbery. The carapace is brown or olive colored, covered with black circles and spots in males and juveniles and dark blotches in females. It is found in sand or mud bottoms of rivers, lakes, and impoundments with little vegetation. Its feet are fully webbed, making them fast swimmers, and they are also agile on land. Michigan's largest turtle, the common snapping turtle. It has a large, brown, often algae-covered carapace with jagged rear edge. They also have a very long tail. It prefers ponds, lakes, slow rivers, and other water habitats. It is found statewide, but remember, don't handle this one, it will bite. The eastern box turtle has a dark, high-domed carapace with radiating patterns of yellow or orange. They also have a unique hinged plastron allowing them to close their shell. They prefer open woodlands with adjacent meadows, close to shallow ponds, lakes, and streams. This is Michigan's only terrestrial turtle, protected by Michigan law as a species of special concern. The spotted turtle has a smooth black carapace covered in yellow spots. Females have orange eyes with yellowish orange chins, while males have brown eyes and a tan, brown, or black chin. It prefers wet, boggy, marshy, or grassy habitats. It is protected by Michigan law as a threatened species. The wood turtle. It has a sculpted carapace with deep circular growth ridges in each scoop. The underneath of the neck, legs, and stomach are yellow. It remains close to rivers, streams, but forages in woods, swamps, and meadows in the summer. It stomps on the ground, creating vibrations in order to hunt earthworms. It is protected by Michigan law as a species of special concern. Do you have a favorite turtle species? I encourage you to learn more about a species that we talked about today. And I also want to thank you for joining us for this segment of Nature in Our Neighborhood.